Many a times we feel very sad when people say India is a country which is 70 years old. No, that is not true. Because the oldest of the Puranas, Vishnu Purana says, Uttaram yat samudrasya himadreschaiva dakshinam varshantad bharatan nama bharatiyatra santati, which says to the south of the Himalayas and to the north of the Hindu Mahasagara, there lies a geographical area called Bharat. And the people inside are called Bharatiyas. We all listen to music, but do you know the first instrument to play music? That was gramophone. And the person who invented was Thomas Alva Edison. When he invented this HMV, his master's voice or gramophone, he wanted the greatest philosopher of those times to come and inaugurate it. And he searched and he found Max Muller as the right person to be inaugurating. And he invited him, and it was a big program where thousands of people were gathered, and Max Muller said something and it was recorded in the HMV and it was played in front of the audience. And audience were awestruck because a person is standing and a voice is coming out of an instrument. Everyone were amazed. Wow, such a great instrument. And everyone gave a huge applause. After the applause, Max Muller comes near the stage and asks, "You all applauded for a great instrument? Yes, I too appreciate. But do you know what I spoke?" No one could understand because it was neither in English, nor German, nor Greek, nor Latin. It was in the mother of all languages, that is Sanskrit. And he recited the first shloka of Rigveda, Agni Mile Purohitam. And again, there was a pause in the whole audience. The audience were thinking, there were so many languages in the whole world. There are so many scriptures in the whole world. Why Max Muller chose the Samskrita? Why he chose this Rigveda? Max Muller went on to say that when people in other countries were jumping from tree to tree like monkeys, even not knowing what to wear and how to wear, here was a country called India where people were so civilized, they not just thought about darkness, they thought about light. They not just thought about untruth, they thought about truth. They didn't think about life, they thought life beyond death. That's why we say, Asatoma Sadgamaya, Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya, Mrityoma Amritangamaya. This is the way we have lived. And the people stood up in silence in respect to the Indian nation. This is the way that we have lived. And India is a country which is sustained even after thousands of years. And how we look at our motherland, how we look at our country. If you ask any person in the current generation, what comes to your mind when I say India or Bharat? Few of them will say culture, few of them may say tradition, spirituality, few other may say bad roads, no good buildings, no right infrastructure. Yes, accepting all these facts, let me ask you a question. Consider your mother and another lady. Your mother may not be a good-looking lady. The other person may be good-looking. But whom do you love the most from the bottom of the heart? Yes, it's your mother. Not because of the external appearance, but because of the inner beauty and inner love. In that sense, if we understand our country, Bharat, Bha for Bhava, Ra for Raga, Ta for Tala, Bhava, Raga, Tala, such a musical nation, we need to know. And when the same question was asked to our ex-Prime Minister Vajpayee, what do you feel about Bharat? He says in his own poetic way, he says, इस देश भारत भूमि का टुकड़ा नहीं है, ये जीता जाता राष्ट्र पुरुष। ये वंदन के भूमि है, ये अभिनंदन के भूमि है, ये अर्पण के भूमि है, ये तर्पण के भूमि है। इस बिंदु बिंदु में गंगा है, कंकर कंकर में शंकर है। जिएंगे तो इस देश के लिए, मरेंगे तो इस देश के लिए। मरने के बाद भी, even after death, if you listen to the voices of the ashes that we put it in the Ganga, you can only hear one sound, that is Bharat Mata Ki Jai.